Right now at noon, we are tracking Bret as the tropical storm slowly strengthens as it gets closer to the Caribbean islands. Some areas could start feeling the effects by tomorrow.
And taking a live look out of our Hollywood Beach camera, once again, some storms could pop up this afternoon. Let's get to Weather Authority meteorologist Luke Doris. Luke, it feels like it's rinse and repeat a lot with these storms nowadays.
That's the way it's been looking. All right, so this is the rain that we've had so far this week. It has been a wet week, and if I zoom in here, you're going to see some spots that are 4, 5, even 6 inches of rain. Doral down here by Coral Gables, little spot there by Miami that's been hit pretty hard. There's Hollywood, Weston. You get on the west side of Fort Lauderdale around Davie. It's just been, it's patchy. Not everybody's had that much, but in spots it's been fairly heavy. Here's today. We still have the same system, all right, upper low up to our north, and watch how Florida is again painted in the risk. Level 1, just like it's been all week long, out of 5 for some strong storms where we could have some high gusts and again heavy rain, heavy duty rain. It's always possible with those strong storms. Nothing out there yet. We look good. Temperatures in the mid 80s to upper 80s. It's the first day of summer, and it feels like it. Started feeling like summer in what? March, something like that. Southeast breeze light at 10. Here's the plan for the day. We top out about 92. Might see a few midday storms, but like yesterday, it probably will wait until later in the day. This might be a late day, early evening round. So far, we've had this little shower down here off of Homestead and just north of Key Largo. That's really about it. Everybody's been nice and sunny so far. We do have a tornado warning that popped up there just west of Fort Myers. Anyway, storms up here, you see them by Orlando. I think what will happen is we'll see storms fire to the north first. This is what they did yesterday, and then they snake their way down. All right, so there we are by 6 o'clock. Could be going in Broward. You have a higher chance of getting rain in Broward than you do Miami-Dade. Doesn't mean Dade won't get it. And then the models for the past couple days have been wanting to make the storms go poof once the sun goes down. But we've seen them linger into the evening, and I think that may happen again. All right, so let's get to Bret. Tropical Storm Bret, it has strengthened. Now a mid-grade tropical storm, winds to 60 miles per hour. There's the satellite view. Notice the storms. Here's the center right there. Most of the storms are back behind it. It's fighting what we call wind shear. It's moving west at about 14 on a track toward the eastern Caribbean islands. We have watches in effect for Dominica, Martinique. There's Barbados. We have a tropical storm warning for St. Lucia. The winds here are going to be strongest near and just north of the center. Not everybody will get tropical storm force winds, and it does look to be a tropical storm as it passes through tomorrow evening. 65 mile per hour winds is the forecast. Then look at the trend once it gets into the Caribbean, a weakening trend. Notice it stays far away from Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, the Dominican Republic, and Haiti. So they'll have minimal to no impacts there. And the reason why it's weakening is we have unfavorable wind shear. Runs into that wind shear, gets ripped apart. This is no threat to the U.S. We are fine from this, not our storm. All right, elsewhere behind, this is Bret. Behind Bret, there's another disturbance that's likely to develop into a depression, maybe Tropical Storm Cindy. We're also not worried about this one. This may miss all land. There's an escape hatch to the north. You can see the models. Most likely, this will hook out to sea. So there's a couple things going on out there, but here in Florida, we're good. Guys?